Alrighty, everybody, this is the Brother Pacesetter cover stitch machine. Its number here is 2340CV. Let's see what it can do. I love it for finishing hems and other types of stitches on knit fabrics. If we look here, inside you can see it looks a lot like a serger if you're familiar with serging machines. It has a detailed instruction list, so every time I thread my machine, I don't have to pull out my manual to thread it. This machine is already threaded. I have it with a nice gray, which goes with many different colors and blends nicely, much better than white. Real quick, I'll show you some things it can do.
Say that again.
It's a very beginner-friendly machine. I have had it for just a couple months now, and I'm able to do a lot of different finishes on my knit fabrics. I have been sewing for a very long time, but usually only with cotton until I got this cover stitch machine, and then I was able to expand to lots of different types of knits. We'll see what it can do really quick. I'm going to turn it on. There's a little switch here on the side. Just like every other sewing machine, it has a foot pedal underneath my desk. This is just a knit fabric. It's just a scrap, just so I can show you what this thing can do. Raise my presser foot. Stick this fella under here. We're just going to do a real quick demonstration, so I have not marked my fabric. To make this much easier, you mark where you have the raw edge, and the raw edge goes down. And this is going to make a lot of noise. Alrighty, and when you're done, raise your needle all the way up. Press your foot up, and you're going to pull these back to the back. I'm not going to lie, this is the part I have the most trouble with. I'm going to release the tension dials here and pull it straight back. You can't pull it out to the side, you have to pull it straight back. What we're going to do is take a pair of scissors, give this a little snip, and as you can see, the raw edge on my knit is covered, and it has this beautiful professional detailing without me having to self-space those stitches. That gray blends in absolutely beautifully, and the stitch has a lot of stretch. So all of those hems that you see on your t-shirts and those knit maxi dresses have a cover stitch on them. And the Brother Pacesetter makes it so that you can do those professional details at home.